Good morning, Lincoln staff and students, and happy Friday. Today is May 1st, 2020, and it's our first day of May. Today we are also celebrating our second virtual Lion Assembly. I am so excited to congratulate all of those students who have been showing their personal best during distance learning. Parents, family, and friends, thank you for your support. It is because of you that these students are successful. And like always, I will go into Spanish. Buenos días, padres. Hoy celebramos un día muy especial. Estamos celebrando a sus estudiantes por trabajar muy duro durante este tiempo que la escuela ha estado cerrada. Estamos celebrando a los estudiantes que están enseñando su mejor y es por usted que ellos están haciendo muy bien. Today, we want to thank everyone who is in your house. So get up quickly, call them over to the laptop, the tablet, the cell phone, the computer. I'll wait a moment. And on the count of 3, we're going to let them know that they rock. On the count of 3, I want you to say you rock. 1, 2, 3. You rock. Now let's get ready for our assembly.
In Mr. Herndon's class, Naomi Mendoza Lopez and Ismael Ponce Ramirez. In Mrs. Chacon's class, Jordan Ayala and Julian Thomas. In Mrs. Diaz's class, Yvette Lara Reyes and Ivan Lara Reyes. In Mrs. Brandt's class, Angel Reyes Rojas and Daniel Benitez. In Mrs. Stout's class, Emmett Enstrom and Alec Davis. In Mrs. Martinez's class, Levi Lopez and Sofia Avila. In Mrs. Nichols' class, Henry Sharpshire and Liam Delgado. In Mrs. Chavez's class, Isaiah Hernandez and Emily Macias. In Mrs. Pratt's class, Marlene Hernandez and Colton Reeves. In Mrs. Hernandez's class, Evelena Botello and Isabella Rico Hernandez. In Mrs. Warden's class, Roman Morgan and Madeline Martinez. In Mrs. Burke's class, Jocelyn Meraz and Desiree Martinez. In Mrs. Perez's class, Angel Barrera Duran and Valeria Carrillo Garcia. Congratulations to our April recipients. We are so proud of you. Lincoln Lions, continue to work hard, stay healthy, and take care of your families.